Okay, VPN not working, so how to fix it? Click on the start menu and go to control panel, or simply type there control panel and hit enter. Make sure to select large icons here, and you need to locate here network and sharing center. So, okay, here it is. Now here you need to click on your internet. So here it's clickable, yeah, so click on it and now click on properties. Here in the list, you need to find Internet Protocol version 6 TCP. Let me search for it. So here it is. So you need to uncheck this mark. Uncheck it and click on OK. After that, you need to close all windows and restart your computer or laptop. So once done, if this not help you, maybe you need to also reset your network. How to do this? Click on start menu, type settings and hit enter. Now click on network and the internet. Click on it. Scroll down bottom and click on advanced network settings. Here you should click on network reset. Click on reset now, close all windows and restart your computer again. And after that everything should work fine.